Hello everyone, friends. He was lying on the square. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps. To begin with, go to Google Maps and in general, in order to plot the first route, we can click on the Search Here button. And accordingly, next, we will need to write here the name of the place from which we will start. For example, the Eiffel Tower. That's it. Select the place and accordingly click directions. So we choose where we will go from. If anything, this is not the real address of my house. I just put it for fun. That's it. And we put it here, right? And they are looking for the best routes. That's it. Next, when we have found the best route, click on the preview button. That's it. And in general, we begin to move along the route. That's it. Then, as for the settings, others, yes, that's with us. So I'm going to come out now. Here we have such a button as you. And here we have, in short, a list of things that we can have displayed here. Right? Where do we want to go? Favorite or saved trips. That's it. Feel free to add a new list and jot down what it's for. Here, you can also edit it here using the 3 buttons. Here. So to add something to this list, just press and hold on a spot on the map. Then you can hit the Save or Add to List button. Here. Next up, we have something called a timeline. Here it is. If it's turned on, Google remembers the places you've been and creates memories for you, as well as the route you took. Here. That's everything here. Also, with this button, you can add a new place or update an old one, add a review, a photo, or update the road or address. Here. Overall, there's nothing else quite like this here. Here. So that's it for now. Bye, everyone. Oh, no, wait. You can also turn on the satellite view here or the terrain view here. And there are more settings too.